And I made a chop on the brew.
Yeah.
Maybe poor chop. Overkai from 2010.
Yeah.
That was 2011.
2011 actually.
Time when now we are Juma war a year Asempa FM.
Yeah.
You could see say.
Yeah.
Overkai say me know ya kabe 5 years.
Yeah.
Because of Akuffo.
Well, me know that time me know be dim come on say me nima the crime ayo, but you decided not to talk to me.
Me ne Akuffo nchi ya ka 5 years. Na ene me de ho achopa ma se minim de na wo hunu enti na wo mpeni leadership na ye ben nipa no a ye di n'achi na ye ba ye media mu a ye te ase yie no. I think say yetimi esesamre ekonachi a anka e bi a time where ye aka ne ke pepe free history mo. You see, so on my way because a certain family in this country needs to be chased away from this country. Tieniepa. Because problem bia ye from war my way mo bia na sa family, just one single family and a dia two. Offer baby to Singapore. Lee Kuan Yew. Decision a Lee Kuan Yew taken 60 years ago. A whole emphasis on a Singapore for a benefit ni. Offer Malaysia. Decision a taken 60-70 years ago. A whole emphasis on a Malaysia a benefit ni. Offer China. Chemamau. I will develop a 70-year development plan. Emma Aya China. Every chairman of China, including Xi Jinping, a fasono. Decision on taken 60-70 years ago. A home fasodia ana womu etiswabeni. Decision be no muteki. Decision on muteki ni se. Se wo your mind na wadwene mu da ho. Na se wo free eye colonialism mu na eba. The first thing abedwene ho nye yenche ye mu enye oppose me na oppose na oppose. Se munya ati ase se development of a nation needs unity. Ye move forward then mbedu ba bia. Ye mbasa mo amoye mhu bia no. But the first thing is unitary state. You move forward. Satam na Akuffo nana ba ko yo mo se dia ndia danko ye friends. JB dankwa. No one Queen Elizabeth Makwatena eye. One Queen Elizabeth Makwatena number 10 Downing Street. Eh? What do you see? One Queen Elizabeth Makwatena number 10 Downing Street. Am here do mabusuafo akosuku wo ho. Amomo no Queen Elizabeth na busuafo na atua sa nkrofo yi esuku fees including Kabio Cheredako eni Asante Bedi atom etu ahwe akrom ha wo mu behave so wo ye more British than even Queen Elizabeth. Tombe tena TV so anu achia ne to no aka ne na ato so JB dan kwaso wo makwan ma Akuffo yi Kwame Nkrumah develop o my Ghana da adena mua emom ko share kotoka ne kwasi amankwa Afrifa chi ede betu Kwame Nkrumah ehun sunsanso sa divide and rule yenchem we magina ha we nye say yenchem we magina we nye say wo mo ba no ma capture state is a state capture. Now yenya buzia yenya your friends Akuffo papa Edward Akuffo wo mo ba be ye the same wo mo ba ye na Nigeria for ye no wo mo ete sebisebio ne papam wo mo na de eye Nigeria for na Ghana for ntokwa e ba ye alliance compliance order